Happy Friday! It is Friday. It is the middle of the workday. Thankfully, I have an understanding boss, and I was like, boss, I need an extra long lunch break because my Liberty fabric from Italy just got here, and she said, have fun. So here we are. My big box of Liberty fabric has made it through customs. It has made it to my sewing room. I have just cut open, not even all the way as you can see, this box, and we are going to open it together. All right. Got a lot of stuffing in here. All right, it looks pretty much like a normal bolt of fabric. So here is, let's see if it'll have the names on it. We have print number 1, which is the Michelle. I feel like I should take these out of the plastic. Like you can't get the picture. Oh, and then this is what the inside of the box looks like. Can you see? Yes, you can. All right. Just a lot of pretty Liberty. All right, let me find my scissors. This is a little interesting. Okay. So, of course, this bolt is going to be a little longer than your average bolt because Liberty fabric's a little bit longer. So hold on, I'm going to go do 2 things. One, I bought some little metal clips at, I think on Amazon. I think they're upstairs to hold this together. And I'm going to get another bolt of fabric so we can compare. So yes, so this is Michelle. I feel like the lighting isn't great. What can I do about that? Maybe we'll move closer to the window. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, here is Michelle. And then let's compare this to a regular size bolt of fabric. So you can see, here's our normal. So it's about, I think this is usually runs like 54, and then this is like 42. So got a big difference, a noticeable difference in there. So we will put the Liberty fabric down below. All right, so the next one we have is, this is Annabelle. Feels so nice. And let's see, wasn't gonna mess around with this too much in this video. We'll do some bundle strategizing in another video, but I think it might be all right. A lot of people like the pink. So I'm going to unbox these all and then slice the tops open so that we can unbox them together. So let's get that done. All right, so now we got them all ready to slide out. So after every time I open one, I need to check it off my list to make sure I got everything I ordered. And then I'm going to add a clip to each one of these monster clips. I really thought I was ordering ones like this big. I really need to read better to make sure that the fabric doesn't flop all over the place. All right. And just like the art gallery fabric unboxing I did, this, I try to get a variety of colors. So you'll hopefully see, you know, some of the, as you look, a reminder of some of the art gallery fabrics, and also link the video. I'm trying to kind of get a variety of art gallery and a variety of Liberty. So, all right, this one is the Phoebe. Says I got 9.6 meters. So this one has some browns and blues. Okay, we got the Rachel. I do like how it's like Rachel and Phoebe from Friends. And this one's a little bit of a medium floral. And it's got the yellows and the greens and the blues. This one is Betsy Meadow. There are a lot of people who are very big fans of the Betsy print. So this one, I guess, I don't know if this one was technically a maroon or a brown or a burgundy. What does it say? No. I keep looking on the edge of the bolts, but the bolts don't have anything on them. So I like this one with the different blues and the pinks and the yellows. You can kind of hopefully see now some of my reasoning for some of the art gallery fabrics I purchased. This one is called Capel. Capel? I don't know. You guys, I don't know. C-A-P-E-L. Blue and white. I really like this one. There's something cool waiting to be made with this one. I mean, I really like them all. I'm so excited for the idea of florals combined with solids. So the one thing I'm a little nervous about is I don't know if I've actually paid for the shipping between Tennessee and here yet. I am not sure if that was included in the original shipping I paid. And I think I need like tariffs or duties or whatever. I don't really know how this works. We're just winging it. This is not business advice. Okay. All right. This is just the plain old Betsy. See if I can get this out without getting it off the bolt. Oh, it is so silky. This is Betsy Ann. So this is like the Betsy, but a little smaller. Yellows. So for ordering Liberty, I had to order at least 10 bolts. When I got to 10 bolts, I wasn't completely satisfied, and I think I went up to 13. I guess we'll find out here in a minute. And I figured since I was paying for like the shipping and all of that and kind of going through this, I wanted to err on the side of caution and get a couple more since I could afford it. And so that's how that one worked. You have to do 10 bolt minimums. So every time you order, I believe it's 10 bolts. Don't quote me. So and this one is Mira. I really liked this, really like this one. I wasn't sure if this one would go with anything, but like it just kind of stands out from the others. But now you can see why I really wanted a bright pink. I think those two go, that pink and this. I'm going to cut some samples in the next video. We're going to do bundles together. So, all right. I really, really, really like this one. I do think that was the one I was the most excited about was Mira. All right. What do we got here? We got Wiltshire. So I wanted to, I like pink a lot. So I really forced myself to kind of step outside the box. So we got Wiltshire here. I do think, can you still see me? I do think that when I'm clipping these, I might do the top and the bottom when I go back through. This one is Empress. The red. So this red, there's red that pops up a few times. So this was what I was hoping to do with the art gallery fabric. I'm not sure that's a perfect match, but it's pretty good. Might prefer pairing that one with a green. Yeah. but we'll have to play around with it. And last but not least, we have got June's Meadow. I do appreciate the thick plastic they wrap it in, so like if anything happens during shipment, you can be reason assured that the fabric should make it out in one piece. There we go. So, yep, all 13. That's my 13 bolts I got. It's my first order of Liberty. You can see it all down there. That's what we're looking like. Love that one. Love them all. So, unfortunately, I have to go back to work. So I'm going to go eat some lunch. I'm going to go back to work. And then starting tonight, I think I'm going to cut. Well, not tonight, because I got to take my kids to a carnival tonight. So, dang it. My carnival and their carnival came at the same time. So probably tomorrow then, I'm going to cut maybe fat 8ths or fat 16ths. Maybe we'll start with fat 16ths. I don't know. I'm going to do some math before I start cutting. Either fat 8 or fat 16ths out of the Liberty, maybe half yards of the Art Gallery fabrics, so that I can start actually physically laying them out and deciding how I want to bundle them together. So I have to give that some thought. But so excited. It's here. It's real. It means I have a lot of work to do. Now I need to figure out the bundles. The other thing I was thinking about is my cutting mat is as big as a standard bolt of fabric. So I might need to get a bigger cutting mat or just figure something out. I'm not sure, because I want my cuts to be obviously extremely accurate. And actually I'll probably be a little generous in my cuts because paranoia. And then, I'm trying to finalize my first like little project that'll use one of the bundles. So lots of fun stuff to do. And now that it's here, it's kind of like, okay, you made a big girl decision. It's time to get this done. So this is bringing a little bit of zest into my life. I'm excited. I'm excited to put together bundles. I'm excited to play with all this fabric. It truly is bringing me a lot of joy. So thank you for hanging on and watching. Let's see I guess if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I would love to hear your favorite Liberty print that I got. And also if you have any suggestions of the different colors, if you've watched the Art Gallery fabric and the Liberty videos, I would love that. And YouTube thinks that you'll like this video, so please go and watch that video. I will talk to you soon. Bye.